Yo, what's up, y'all? Yo, we finna check out Loona, JinSoul, Singing in the Rain. Now, yesterday I had checked out Loona, Kim Lip, Eclipse, y'all. And this is where we at today. Now, thank you everybody for letting me know, you know what I'm saying, about this group. And there's a lot to take in, y'all, you feel me? So I'm not about to sit here and act like I know it all, cause I barely know nothing, y'all. But I'm here for this video. We got the captions, y'all. We gonna see what they talking about. Let's do this shit. Let's get it. See what this is about, y'all.
Hey boy, I'm thinking about us.
Yo, hold on, y'all. Do they always use like that white border on the top and the bottom? Cause I noticed that in the Eclipse video also. Let me know in the comment section down below. Yo, my bad, y'all. These drums right here, this got some type of like a bounce feel, like a tribal feel, y'all. That shit sound hard. Hey. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Now they have some type of like the drop for the chorus. That sounds like some future house right there, y'all. There's a bunch of subgenres for house music, you feel me? So let's keep moving forward. Also, they dancing in some fucking water, y'all. And they not slipping on the floor. That's skill right there. Hey. Oh, chill, y'all. Let me see if I could get it real quick. Oh, it's a miracle. That fish right there, I don't know if y'all know about that fish, y'all, but that's a fighting fish. So I've had a few of those before when I was younger, you feel me? You put a mirror in front of the fish, and on the side of the face, the shit starts to open up, y'all, and it be ready to fight. Like it'll try to rush the fish tank if it has to, you feel me? Those fishes come in different colors, y'all. Let's keep moving forward. Oh, yeah. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Chill, y'all. This shit is too fire. This beat right here, y'all, for the chorus. Yo, I really didn't see that coming, y'all. I didn't. I like how they went and they fused like a tribal style type of sound with the kick drum, right? And then in the chorus, it's just like a whole different vibe, y'all. It's like we got two songs in one right here. her vocals is good, y'all.
Got me singing in the rain. Ooh, oh, singing in the rain. 소리를 따라 달려가는 너와 나 뒤따라가 깊이 퍼져가는 비밀 빠져들어 비춰져서 젖어가는 공기에 물 들어가 물 들어가 우리 안에 태양이 나 한낮의 태양을 숨겨버린 죄로 지금 난 여기 뜨거운 채로.
Wait, hold on, y'all. Because she threw that fighting fish in the water, right? And she's also in the water too. The fish is blue. Her dress is blue. She talking about the color blue. Is she comparing herself to that fighting fish? I don't know, y'all. Let's keep moving forward. Hey. Hold on, y'all. You know what? For me, I'm going to take it this way. There seemed to be a bunch of goldfish in that tank. There was only one fighting fish. Maybe she's trying to say she sees herself as that type of fish where she feels like she's different while she's amongst a bunch of people that seem to be similar. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm going with, y'all. Now let's end the video. Okay. There ain't no fish in that bag. There ain't no water either. Maybe she's reborn or some shit. I don't know, y'all. All right. We gonna hit that thumbs button all the way the fuck up, y'all. I was definitely feeling the drums in the beginning. The chorus was fire, y'all. I didn't really get to check out the choreography as much as I wanted to because I'm paying attention to the lyrics, y'all. For me, I don't feel like the lyrics were straightforward. Yeah, she said she's singing in the rain, right? For some reason, I think that the meaning is a lot deeper than that, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I will be checking this video out again on my own time so I can see how they were hitting the moves. Links will be in the description down below for the following. So you can check out this video, so you can follow me on Twitter and or check my music out on Spotify. Hit that subscribe button if you like what I do. Also hit that bell for all notifications. Yo, I really appreciate each and every single last motherfucking one of you. I mean that shit, y'all. I go by the name of A. And remember, I'm here now. Until next time.